Hi guys, in this video I will show you exactly how to log in into your National Bank of Oman online banking account step by step so that you can easily access your finances and manage your money anytime, anywhere in Oman. So first of all, you need to come here on the official website of National Bank of Oman, which is nbo.com. Now, once you are over here, you are going to see the login option here on the top right hand corner of the screen. If you don't see that option, don't worry, simply just open a new tab and search for this particular URL, which is online.nbo.com/netbank/login form. Now, once you type this URL, you will be directly redirected over here on the login page of your internet banking. The first thing that you need to do here is to simply select your language. After that, simply provide your login ID and your password and click on the option of login. Now, for typing your password and your login ID, you can also use the virtual keyboard. Now, once you click on the option of the login over here, if you have enabled any kind of two-factor authentication on your account, you are going to receive a one-time password on your registered mobile number. So you need to enter that OTP in order to verify your identity. After the successful verification of your identity, you will be able to get access to your National Bank of Oman online banking dashboard. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.